Hello, hello. Happy Sunday. I want to share with you guys what I did today. Well, not really. I didn't do very much of anything because today my project was to not have any projects. And I figured anything else I did was extra credit for me today. But I did want to complete a task I'd started. And now that I just read it over, I did it wrong. Doesn't matter. Anyway, it began as a task from The Artist's Way, which I'm still making my way through, to take a whole stack of magazines and just go through them and flick through them and cut out any pictures. My idea of the task was I would cut out any pictures that just make me feel joy in whatever way, for whatever reason, and then just make a collage out of them, which I will probably eventually do digitally because that's how I like to do things. And it definitely did not take me 20 minutes, which was what the real task was. I'll share that, but I did it my own way, I guess. And that's it. So now I have all of these beautiful pictures, which I just, even just taking pictures of them now, I just felt joy again and thought this might be a fun task for you, for your kids, or, whenever you're feeling today was a rainy day and I was kind of a couch potato. So I thought this would be a nice thing to just make me feel alive and full again. So I thought I'd share my pictures with you. Hope you enjoy them and let me know if you try it out and what you think. Bye. Just a quick note to help you understand what kind of magazines I had on hand. Since I did some decluttering a while ago, I threw out everything except for home magazines. So that's why all the stuff that brings me joy is stuff for around the home, but there are many other things I just didn't have the magazines to do them. Anyway, here we go. Bye.